If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling weaker, or you've started to lose your balance, you are not alone. Millions of people experience this, and most think it's just normal aging. But here's the truth. You can protect your legs and even reverse years of muscle loss. And it starts with what you eat first thing in the morning. In this video, I'm going to share 5 everyday foods that are simple, affordable, and backed by science. Foods that can keep your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence intact for years to come. And make sure you stick with me until the end, because the last food is the one almost nobody eats in the morning, but it might be the most powerful of them all. I've been a doctor for over 20 years, and I've seen this pattern again and again. A patient comes in, telling me they can't walk as far, or they've had a few stumbles lately. They stop going for morning walks. They start avoiding stairs, not because they're lazy, but because their legs simply don't feel as strong as they used to. The medical term is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It's one of the biggest reasons people end up using canes, walkers, or even wheelchairs. And the most shocking part? It starts silently. No pain, no big warning sign, just a little more effort to get up from a chair, a little more wobble when stepping off a curb, until one day, you realize you've lost the strength to move the way you want. Here's what most people don't know. The morning is the most dangerous time for your muscles. After 7 to 9 hours without food, your body is in what's called a catabolic state. It starts breaking down its own muscle tissue for energy. And it often targets the muscles in your legs first, because they're the largest and require the most fuel. If you skip breakfast or eat the wrong foods, you can speed up muscle loss without even realizing it. But if you give your body the right nutrients soon after waking, you can protect your legs, improve circulation, and keep your balance for years longer. Number 1, eggs. They're a powerhouse for muscle health. Eggs contain all the essential amino acids your body needs, including leucine, the amino acid most responsible for triggering muscle repair. They also give you vitamin D, B12, and choline, which keep your nerves and muscles communicating effectively. A study from the University of Illinois found that older adults who ate 2 eggs each morning for 8 weeks had measurable gains in leg strength and balance. My advice? Eat the whole egg, not just the white. The yolk is where most of the nutrients are, and have them within 30 to 60 minutes of waking to get the best benefit. Number 2, oatmeal with chia seeds. Oats give you slow-burning energy that supports your muscles throughout the morning. They're rich in beta-glucan, a type of fiber that reduces inflammation and helps your muscles absorb nutrients more efficiently. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds and you're giving your body potassium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all key for preventing leg cramps and improving blood flow. This simple combo can help you walk longer, stand steadier, and avoid those painful night cramps. Number 3, bananas. Think of them as nature's electrolyte pill. Potassium is essential for smooth muscle contractions. Without enough of it, you're more likely to get spasms, twitches, and cramps, especially at night. A Harvard study found that older adults who regularly ate potassium-rich foods like bananas were 33% less likely to suffer from leg cramps. I recommend having 1 small banana with breakfast, ideally paired with protein to keep your blood sugar steady. Number 4, Greek yogurt. Compared to regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein, much of it in the form of slow-digesting casein. This helps repair muscle after your overnight fast. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin D, which strengthen bones and support muscle coordination. Look for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can add berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. And if you're lactose intolerant, there are lactose-free and goat milk options that still give you the protein your legs need. And finally, number 5, salmon or other fatty fish. Just 2 servings a week can help you keep 27% more leg muscle as you age, according to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, improve muscle protein synthesis, and even enhance coordination between your brain and muscles. If you can't cook fish in the morning, enjoy it at lunch or dinner, you'll still get the benefits. For breakfast, smoked salmon on whole grain toast with avocado is a great option. So there you have it. Eggs, oatmeal with chia, bananas, Greek yogurt, and salmon. Start your morning with even 2 or 3 of these, and you'll be giving your legs the best chance to stay strong, steady, and pain-free for years to come. Which of these foods will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video on the 3 healthy breakfasts that could actually be making your legs weaker.